Research says that 75% of the people in this world are losing out opportunity, limiting their career options, promotions only by not presenting and passing it on to others. You know why? Because they are not so confident that they can present, right? I also did it once upon a time. I'll tell you the situation. Now, I was in Bangalore doing a course for 11 months. At the end of 11 months, I was chosen among the top 10 people to present in front of a professor who was from abroad. Now, I was a little nervous, so I went to my course coordinator and then I told her that, ma'am, I'm okay if somebody else, delivers my presentation. She was like, oh my God, you're chosen among the top 10 to present and you have prepared a brilliant presentation. Now, what happened? Like, you have to present anyhow. So I went ahead and I presented and I got a standing ovation from that professor. So the point is, never lose out an opportunity by just thinking that I'm not confident on it. By doing that, you are just killing your self-image. And the interesting thing is, even you don't know how good you can be, right? So just do it. Hope you liked my video. If you liked my video, if you want such more videos, type more on the chat box.